Welcome to Jakarta, Yogyakarta, Indonesia. Hi guys, it's me again, your travel genie. So we are a group of 2 at DIY lang kami. We are going to share with you our travel expenses at mga travel tips na rin. Kaya tutok lang! Good morning guys! Ayan, nandito na tayo sa Borobudur, kaya malapit na tayo sa ating first stop, Puntok sa Tumbo. Maganda raw yung sunrise dito kasi makita mo yung Mount Merapi at yung Borobudur Temple. Kaya lang parang walang sunrise ngayon. Meron palang entrance fee worth 50,000 rupiah or 194 pesos. Tara, mga 10 minutes daw paakyat. Magbaon kayo ng tubig at panyo guys ha, kasi paakyat siya, nakakapagod. Ayan, ang dami rin foreigners na nag-abang ng sunrise. Kaya lang, walang sunrise for today's video. Pero syempre, enjoy pa rin natin tong travel natin. Marami rin naman mga magandang spots dito sa Puntok. Welcome to Puntok City!
Enjoy the moment.
Free lang to, pero kailangan mo magbigay ng tip kina kuya.
Enjoy the moment. All night long. Join me, sing this song.
Then, pag uwi namin, meron na nakaprepare na breakfast sa amin. Kasama na to sa accommodation. At ang sarap ng kapeng ito. Naalala ko yung kape sa Buskalan. At alam nyo ba kung magkano ang per night namin dito? 950 lang per night. Pwede ka rin umorder sa kanila for lunch and dinner. At grabe guys, ang sarap na itong langka juice. And then next na is pupuntahan natin ang largest Buddhist temple in the world. Ayun ang Borobudur Temple. So, kailangan mag-book kayo online in advance. Kasi 1,200 tourists lang ang allowed nila per day. So, may dalawang ticket kayong pagpipilian. Yung temple ground, yan yung sa labas lang kayo. Yung temple structure is pwede kayo umakyat hanggang sa taas. Ang binili namin is yung temple structure worth 455 rupiah. Ang mahal, no? Pero may kasama na yung bamboo sleepers, bottled water, at eco bag. Additional note, yung temple structure ay wala siyang schedule every Mondays for maintenance. At ang schedule is nag-i-start from 8:30 a.m. hanggang 3:30 p.m. Before, meron silang sunrise tour, pero simula ng pandemic, nawala na siya. Tara, let's start the tour!
Vivati for sleeper. It means for protection of skin erosion.
Jalan-jalan
The temple is 1,200 years old.
Mahangat asik suasana. Jalan-jalan santai.
Stone of this temple have different sizes, but block and block. Well, volcanic stone. When it was eruption, stone have different size, different form.
Alam Indonesia.
From bottom of temple till the 7th floor, there are 1,460 painted relief whose story. This is one painting.
Nikmati suasana desa.
Pasadum and Pond. It means for interlock. Long of deforestation, most of the world was slide 1 meter. Many years in sliding, but they still stand. Paston is connected.
Moyang kita. Jalan-jalan.
Relief of people, they have different size. Small people, small, bigger, biggest. All of them seem very symmetric. How long to build this temple? According to conclusion of archaeologists, building this temple took 80 years. So I think it is fast. Because carving is very detailed. We put relief one by one. Per panel, it is 3 kilometers long.
Asik suasana.
Buddha statues, totally 504. Long time ago, 505. One statue was taken down from main stupa. but we may not put new one. But we put new one we must put original. Terasic hand position of Buddha statues. It means calling the earth for witness. In the south side, the hand is open. It means giving blessing. Big hand in the west, meditation. In the north, symbol protection from bad mind. Then Buddha, it means teaching. And then on the top, in Stupa, then Buddha, turning wheel of life. And then if we see Japanese dancing, the movement hand of dancing is taken from combination the hand position of Buddha statues. Japanese dancing. So every action has meaning.
Jalan-jalan sang
Like bell form is called stupa. The whole is diamond. If we put it is moved. This is symbol life is not stable. But talk that whole of stupa square means stable, stability. And then the biggest stupa has no goal, symbol of perfection. If you free time about 20 minutes.
kita.
Alam nyo ba na nare-discover ito noong 1815, buried under volcanic ash? At noong 1970s, nagtulungan ng Indonesian government at UNESCO para ma-restore ito. At inabot ng 8 years para makompleto ulit itong Borobudur Temple. At noong 1991, it is declared as UNESCO World Heritage Site.
Jalan-jalan santai di
You're finished
Thank
here.
you.
Thank you. Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Thank you.
jalan.
Maganda pala piliin ang last schedule, 3:30 p.m. Kasi kayo na lang yung last turista. Tingnan nyo, wala masyadong tao.
Jalan-jalan santai.
And then, mag-shuttle ulit kami. Kasama na to sa tour ha. Libre yung pa-shuttle nila. And then, pagbaba is punta kami sa Pusat Ole-Ole or yung tatawag nilang buying center dito. T-shirt. Nakakatuwa guys, masayahin din pala mga Indonesian katulad natin. And then, naglakad na lang kami pa uwi sa aming accommodation. Mga 30 minutes lang naman yung lakad. Pero, may kasamang ligaw yan. Kaya mga inabot kami 1 oras maglakad. Tingnan nyo guys, may mga banig dyan kasi dyan sila kakain. Tulad ng mga nandoon. Sa kalsada sila kakain. Kasi ito yung mga tindahan. Ayan, diba? Puro may mga banig. Kanina may natapakan kami ganyan eh. Sayang hindi namin na-experience. Nakapag-order na kasi kami ng dinner sa accommodation. Naliligaw na tayo. Maganda rin pala maglakad dito sa Borobudur sa gabi. Ang dami mo makitang kainan. At ano tong jeep na to? Ang cute to. Pwede ba sumakay dyan? Comment down naman kung alam nyo.
And she said,
And then, nakarating na nga kami rito sa kapitbahay namin. Nang kapitbahay muna kami. Actually, sarado na sila. Nagtitinda sila ng mango juice. Ito, ang sarap niyan guys. 34 pesos lang yan. At super bait nila. Nagbukas pa rin sila at binigyan kami ng mango juice. At nakapagkwentuhan na rin kami. Grabe, super bait nila guys. This is our food. Ang dami. Thank you for watching all the way through. I'm your travel genie and hope your travel wish will come true.
So yeah,